Hello, namaste to all. I Sangeeta Buttar welcome you all to Divine Healing channel, and today I am going to talk about how to become a money magnet. Yes, money magnet. I can already see a big smile on your faces, and I'm really excited to talk about this on this topic, and I will be sharing different ways or different techniques which one can use to attract money. Of course, who do not want money? We all need money, right? It's a big necessity. No matter what, we need money in everyday's life. We need to pay our bills, we need to pay for the groceries and so on. So we require money in day-to-day life. So I will be talking about money. When people try to manifest money, they often don't know that what they think or say about money, it impact their ability to attract money. Yes, that's you heard me right. That impact the ability to attract money. So when it comes to manifest money, what you say that creates an energy, and that energy is going to brings abundance of money. But if you have a little bit doubt about it, so what's going to happen? Instead of you getting abundance of money, the money is going to go away from you and you are not going to get abundance of money. So there are so many of you who really need abundance of money, and most of you need right now. You heard me right? So most of you need a money right now. But now the question is, can we manifest money overnight? Right? Most of you must be having a question right now that can we manifest money overnight? Yes, one can create this money overnight, but when you try to create this overnight or when you try to manifest money, one has to create a positive aura in the all places, the places where they sit, the places where they eat, the places where they sleep. Yes, you heard me right. All these places has to be very neat, very clean, tidy, and there should be no clutter in all these places. Now I will be sharing you few tips through which you can manifest money very easily in your life, and of course it's like overnight too. First technique is start visualizing, and in this visualizing you do not have to visualize that you are earning money. Instead of you visualizing that abundance of money, you have to visualize that you have the most beautiful expensive house. Yes, you have the most beautiful expensive house. You have the most beautiful big car. You are having the most beautiful jewelry, and there's abundance of money in your bank account, at home, and you have so many credit cards. Yes, when you want to manifest money, you have to start visualizing that you are already enjoying this luxurious life and you have all the kind of luxurious things in your life, and you have to not only think but you have to start visualizing it. This is the first technique to manifest money. Second is to practice meditation. Yes, you heard me right, meditation, and most of you must be thinking, meditation, what she's talking about. But yes, meditation is must when you wanted to create money, not only for creating money but for creating anything what you want in your life. So incorporating meditation in your daily routine is going to help you to obtain alignment for what you are seeing. So the meditation is going to help to strengthen your focus and your willpower and your concentration. Yes, you heard me right. It is going to help you to strengthen your focus and concentrations and your willpower, which is going to help you to reach your goal faster. The third technique is be mindful about your thoughts. Yes, you heard me right. One has to be very careful, and when the thoughts comes to you, you have to think about what thoughts are coming to your mind. So if your thoughts are positive, what's going to happen? You are going to attract all the positive things in your life, and you are going to get everything. Whereas if you have a little bit doubt or a little bit of negative thoughts, all you're attracting is negative things in your life. Yes, you heard me right. So one has to be very careful when you are creating thoughts about the money. So the fourth is be grateful for all the things which you are having and enjoying in your life at this very moment. Yes, you heard me right. One has to practice this gratitude every single day. Gratitude means thank. So you can thank God for each and everything, for small things, and you will see that God will give you more things. Yes, when we say thanks for the things we have in our life, we attract more things to be thankful for. Yes, and so we have to practice gratitude every single day. So if you forgot in the morning, like you can say that gratitude anytime during the day, but I would recommend you to say it in the first thing in the morning. So why I am recommend you to do it first thing in the morning? Because when we get up in the morning, our subconscious mind is very active for first 10 minutes, and for the first 10 minutes, whatever we say, whatever we think, when we say or think, that is going to go in the universe, and it's going to manifest faster. Yes, that's the reason we have to say in the morning. And why at night time? Because at night time when we go to sleep, the last thing what we saw, what we hear, what we say, or what we think, that goes in the subconscious mind. And night time, our subconscious mind is very active. That's the reason I recommend you to say gratitude first thing in the morning and at night time. So the fifth is using the affirmations starting with I am. Yes, you heard me right. Affirmations starting with I am. You can say I am very wealthy. I am having a lot of abundance of money. I am very beautiful. I am very smart. I am attracting abundance of money. I am having a perfect figure. I am very slim and trim. Yes, you have to use I am. This affirmation works as a miracle. Yes, you heard me right. It works as a miracle, but we have to practice every single day. One time it's not going to work. The sixth is smile all the time. Yes, smile all the time. We have to smile all the time because smiling is the miracle drug for happiness. Yes, you heard me right. It's a miracle drug for happiness. It's amazing how powerful this small gesture is, isn't it? The last technique which I recommend while you're trying to create your heartly desire is to let go and to believe that the money is on its way and it's coming to you. Yes, so you have to let go and start believing that it's on its way and it's coming to you. Yes, you heard me right. Believe. You have to start believing that you are very rich, you have abundance of money, and you are living a luxurious life. Yes. So when you practice all these different techniques, you will be able to attract more money in your life, and you are going to become a money magnet, guys. Yes, you heard me right here. You will become a money magnet, guys. So these were all the techniques which I have shared about how to attract money, and I hope you guys like this video. So thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I want to say thanks to all of you whoever come to my channel, watch this video, subscribing my videos, and also all the people who are helping me to make this video and inspiring me to make this video. Thank you all of you. For my services, you guys can go to my email ID and contact me through my email ID. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel, take care and live with lots of love, light and angels blessings. Namaste.